Hello, I'm Jackie. In the heart of the Amazon forest, deep in Peru, there is a river that can boil you alive. Locals call it Xanetimpishka, which means boiled with the heat of the sun. The water is so hot that birds or animals that fall in cook instantly. When scientists first heard about it, they didn't believe it. They said such a river could only exist near a volcano. But there is no volcano anywhere near this part of the Amazon. Still, explorers found it. A steaming river that stretches for over 6 kilometers, with temperatures reaching 90 degrees Celsius. You can see it bubbling, and the air above it shimmers from the heat. One geologist, Andre Russo, made it his mission to study it. He tested the water himself and proved the stories were true. The heat, he believes, comes from cracks deep underground, where water touches hot rocks and rises back up. But even he admits no one knows exactly how this much heat travels so far from the nearest volcanic zone. To this day, the boiling river remains a mystery, a place where the jungle itself feels alive and deadly, and a reminder that even now, there are places on Earth that we still don't fully understand.